Animal missing links. Is evolution being too simplistic? What is simplistic? It's not for things that are easy to understand, deal with, or use. Those things are just simple. But when a subject is presented too simply, misleadingly so, that's being simplistic. Or when you gloss over or omit relevant facts, that's being simplistic. For instance, here's a typical diagram you see. The evolutionary claim that these evolved one from another. Bones are a body's framework in all vertebrates. That's fairly simple. But to conjecture on evolution of life from bones alone is misleadingly too simple. We could even be justified in saying it's simplistic. Let's consider even possible ideas or models for evolving organs. That's a whole different issue, and one that does not help the evolutionary model. That's why they prefer to just talk about bones. Organs are much more complex than bones. There are 78 organs in the human body, for instance. Each has specialized cells and have specialized functions. Mammals have many things in common, but can have some other things that are very different, such as their digestive system. Some have one stomach. Some have three stomachs. Some have four stomachs. And each of those four stomachs has a different function. Cows and horses eat the same food, but have very different digestive systems. Can you even conceive of evolution between a one-stomach animal to a four-stomach animal? Could this go from one to one and a quarter stomachs, then to one and a half, to two, to three, finally to four? How are those digestive tasks achieved before those organs evolved? And if they were being achieved well, where is the evolutionary pressure to change? How many generations of incomplete organs would be necessary? And how do these animals survive the transition? For evolution of organs, you have to remember, initial pressure to change must not kill the subjects at each stage. Change takes place over centuries and hundreds of generations. It can't have a disadvantage to get food or evade predators. It must repeatedly have compatible mates at all stages of change. Creatures must be able to function while new organs evolve, and be the fittest to pass on its genes to new generations. Natural selection needs survival of the fittest. An animal with one and a half organs has no advantage to survive. Nowhere are any animals seen with any partial organs evolving. Evolution just isn't viable.